out of gas. Might have enough left to start it back up and get me home, but whew. Got the seat done. Unbolted the fender, moved it back here. Just a few zip ties on it to hold it on there. Trimmed it. It's on there pretty straight. Put my 26 tooth sprocket on. It's really small. It's geared it's a 21.5-inch tall wheel. I think it was right around 42 mile per hour at 7,000 RPM. And that's about when this kicks in, and I was just flying down through here. Changed my brake pads. Worked a little better, but I just welded. This was a part of an old 20-inch frame. I just cut it. It was actually like this part that goes up here. Cut it and welded it to the seat, and it's not adjustable, but it's real comfortable for me right here. I did a few other things here and there. I straightened up the chain guard. It was all bent to hell and back. Straightened that up, put a better bolt in here, because the other one was actually hitting the crank. Put an air filter on it. Pretty good. It might be an island low wipe died. I think I was about out of gas, so I ain't put gas in it. I gotta go get some. I hear a tiny bit in there, but shoot, I did a few other things too. I can't even think of them all right now. Oh yeah, the throttle was sticking. I had it over too far. It was on the curb and it was sticking. Every time I get into it on my other videos, I had to use all my strength pretty much to turn it. But now I can do it with 2 fingers. Full pull. I changed the spring on the carburetor. It probably don't even need it now since I adjusted this over. But I did get better spring. And it full pull, full release. Works real smooth. I haven't tried top speed yet, but I know I was going a bit of 40 right here. And that's a low RPM. It's probably geared, I don't know, 65 to 70 at 10,000 RPM, so I wouldn't even probably take it past 55 really. Try to get it going though.